Salam, my name is Bushra Mohammed. My metric number is 274851. I'm presenting today for the mini library system. Our code have our project code have a book class. The book class have uh, attribute for ID, title, author, and also available. There is a constructor. And also we have here method get title, author, um, and also the string, method string. There is also class for the fiction and a non-fiction class. So the user can choose for the book the user need, if it's fiction or also non-fiction. So that also Joyce. Other class we're gonna have is a brower class. Brower class also have properties like strong ID, name, and brower books. There is also constructor here, and also we have a method get ID, name, and brower, and return. Book brower, return brower. This and also this one is presenting for the file form. It is like reading the file, and third part is presenting for the uh, file and written and read part, and it's presenting it for the catch and throw to see the part for the saving part book. If the user save the book, they can save. If the user can exit the program, it can save the program for the book information. So it's automatically save it as a folder. The last part is mini library. Sorry about that. Mini library GUI part. This part is the main part. So the user can help for the when it's run. As you can see here, it's presenting for the fiction have parts for the choose fantasy, mystery, science fiction, and also history, science, technology. Also, there is options to have add book, display book, search book, and exit book, and also data successful. When the user exit the parts for the information, uh, it save it information. And also the second part is managed brower information. Also this part have brower name, brower ID brower, and display brower, search brower, and also the bro book, and also exit. Here is method for the add book action method. That method is like the action for the fiction and non-fiction to fill the form, and also displaying the book action. So also this one is displaying for the action of the book when the display user need to display, and also see the information, how many book is information, like, and the searching part. Also this method is the searching part, and also here displaying borrow action and the borrow searching and returning bars, the code returning bars also here. Yeah, so now let's try to run, compile fast, and then run. Okay, as you can see, it's successful. So now we can run. Okay, now I'm presenting these parts for the mini library system. when the user, this is the main part for the user. The menu, as you see, is a frame. This part the part I need to explain the manage book information. When the user need to write information about managing the book, first the user have to write the ID. For example, it can write PU11, the ID, and also the title. The title is like, for example, like that title in author, and try to click fiction, science, and add. So as you can see, it's successful when the user then choose the name, ID, and also the author and title, and also the fiction, which part of the fiction we need, and also add. It's successful, and now we can check what we have displayed in books. So before I already added, and also here search. So when you need to search, is not found, because as you can see here, I did not put any information this part. So before the user need to search the book, have to put the ID for the book. So there now example, can check the 022 ID. So then try to search. So as you can see, when you user put the ID, correct ID, it's displaying it. You can see the book and also exit. When the user try to exit, it's exit and save the data. Data it's saving. So that's the part. Thank you.
So my name is Tanushri. My metric number is 298455. So I will be presenting about the borrowers class. So borrowers class is the function is to search for borrower or even add a new borrower. So for example, in the search function, we can enter name, either name or ID, and we can search for the borrower. If the borrower has been recorded in the history in the system before, the borrower's history will be displayed at the system. For example, it will be displayed as their name, their ID, and also their borrowed book details. So if there's no that borrower's name in the history, so we can add a new borrower. Like we have to enter their name, ID, and also search for the book that they are looking for, and also we can add the borrower into the list. Besides that, we can also display all the borrowers list, including their past borrowed books. So that's all from me. So I will pass to Tracy.
So my name is Tracy and my matrix number is 289820. So I will continue to explain about the button for the search borrower, return book, and borrow book, and the last one is exit. So the first, for the search borrower, this function enables users to retrieve borrower details by entering relevant search criteria such as borrower ID, name, or contact information. It facilitates quick access to borrower records, ensuring efficient management of library users. Second is the borrow book. This feature allows users to authorize to process book loans by selecting a borrower and the books to be borrowed. The system updates the borrower's record and adjusts the book's availability status accordingly. So for the third function is return book. This function enables users to record the return of borrowed book. It will update the system to reflect the book's availability and ensuring accurate inventory tracking and preventing overdue penalty. So for the last one is exit function. This option allows user to safely close the application or return to the main menu. It ensures that all transactions are properly recorded before exiting. Thank you.